Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So today's video, we're going to make a cocktail called a Coco Chanel. Sounds fancy, but it's not. Well, the coconut vodka bottle I found looks fancy. It's called 3 kilos. This is a 2-part cocktail, and not really strong because this is 30%, and you're going to use some elderflower, which is what? Something. It should probably say somewhere, right? Anywho, it can't be that strong. Oh, there we go. 40 proof, 20%. So, and I've opened it. Should be a pretty simple, flavorful cocktail. You know, the little coconut, little elderflower liqueur. Should be pretty good, in theory. So, let's get started. First things first, we got to do 3 ounces of coconut liqueur. And this bottle is fancy. Way too fancy for someone like myself. 3 ounces. It has a good coconut smell to it, for sure. Last, we're going to do just 1 ounce of our elderflower liqueur. Just 1 ounce. This seemed to be a very interesting combo. But let's go, let's go. Give it a good swirl. All right, next we need a Coupe glass. Actually, we'll go to Nora glass, not a Coupe glass. We'll go to Nora glass. And all these glasses are in the description below, so you can order them off Amazon. If I can get this right. Nice, clean, clear cocktail. Okay, here we go. This is a Coco Chanel. The sweetness of the coconut, the elderflower is in the background, but it's not as prevalent. That coconut is a very strong flavor, and if you like coconut, you will love this. And this is a fancy looking drink, right? I like it because I like coconut. So anywho, don't forget to like, follow, share, leave a little comment or two, and let's enjoy some cocktails together. Cheers.